These quick and easy enchiladas come together in two parts. First, we'll build the sauce in a cast iron skillet. We'll bloom the chili powder. A heavy dose of chili powder with softened onion packs some serious sweet and earthy flavors. Gradually whisk in the broth to brighten these savory flavors while balancing the heat. Evenly distribute the cheese mixture across the center of each tortilla. Tightly roll each tortilla around the cheese. Place seam side down in the sauce in the skillet. Arrange the enchiladas side by side in a single row. Smother the enchiladas with the sauce and sprinkle with some Monterey Jack cheese. Bake them and then add your favorite toppings. I really like chopped onion and some pickled jalapenos. These are so good.